Did you know that after creating one of gaming's biggest hits, an entire studio vanished overnight? In 2000, Diablo 2 became a massive success for Blizzard North, but 3 years later, something shocking happened. The entire team quit and disappeared. It started when their parent company demanded they move from San Francisco to Southern California. But that was just the surface. The real problem was much deeper. Corporate bosses were crushing their creative freedom, focusing only on profits instead of great games. The Schafer brothers and David Brevik, the original Diablo creators, had been secretly planning their escape for months. They were negotiating with another company while still working at Blizzard. When they finally announced their departure in 2003, they took almost everyone with them. Blizzard was left with nothing. No team, no knowledge about how Diablo actually worked. This is why Diablo 3 took 11 years to develop and launched with so many problems. The founders created flagship studios to make Diablo killers, but their new company collapsed after just 4 years, proving that leaving Blizzard wasn't worth it after all.